Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. It's indeed a pleasure for me to have an interaction with you in this All India webinar on RERA, organized by RERA India Education and Resource Federation, jointly with Maharashtra Society Welfare Association. I'm C. Anand Jain from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I'll be talking about the recent order issued by RERA Madhya Pradesh looking to this COVID-19 situation. So I'm starting with my presentation. The RERA Madhya Pradesh has issued an order on 6th May 2020 referring the Finance Ministry's circular dated 19th February considering the situation of COVID-19 as a force majeure for a specified financial purpose. And looking to this situation, the RERA Madhya Pradesh has also considered is it as a force majeure situation and under Section 5 and issued its order. The order consists following relaxations, though these relaxations are not so relaxing like this clip art, but yes, these relaxations are relaxing to all of us for the time being. We don't know how much time it will take to revive the projects, to start the project, and how longer its impact will. But now, for the time being, we have some relaxations. So the relaxations are divided into three parts. First is relaxations related to project completion date. Secondly, relaxations related to quarterly and annual compliances. And the third, relaxations related to determination of compensation. I'll be discussing about project completion date and the relaxations related to quarterly and annual compliances. The relaxations related to determination of compensation will be dealt by the next speaker, CA Vishnu Agrawalji, and he'll be further adding some points into it. So let's start with first relaxations related to project completion date. As you all are aware that all the projects are on hold and the labor has moved out from the sites, so we don't know how much time it will take to start the project. But for the time being, in Madhya Pradesh, the RERA Madhya Pradesh has issued an order for extension of 6 months to all the projects and divided the situation of the project into three categories. First one is where all the projects in which completion date is on or after 15th March 2020, all such projects are extended by 6 months. For example, if your project completion date is 31st March, that in that case, you will be given an extension of 6 months. Suo moto extension it is. You don't have to apply for any extension. You don't have to make any application for this. Second is all the project in which completion date has been lapsed prior to 15th March and you have made an application and such application is under consideration before RERA authorities. In that case, the RERA authority will grant you an additional extension of 6 months to the extension you have applied for. For example, if your project has been lapsed on 10th March and you have applied for 3 months extension, in that case, you will get an extension of 6 months additionally. So your revised date will be 10th of December 2020. The third condition is all the projects where completion date has been lapsed prior to 15th March and application for extension of such project have not been made yet. So in that case, you have to make an application for extension along with payment of prescribed late fees. You all are aware that in the RERA we have some rules regarding application, and if we are not making the application for extension on such time, then in that case we have to pay additional fees. So you have to apply with for extension with application and payment of prescribed late fees. In that case, you will grant normal addition that you have applied for plus additional extension of 6 months. In such calculation of late fees, period of this COVID-19, which is prescribed by the government, Madhya Pradesh RERA, 15 March to 15th June will not be considered. So this was all about the relaxations related to the project completion date. Recently, the finance ministry has also announced that the 6 month extension should be given to all the projects and further 3 month extension should be given. In my opinion, the Madhya Pradesh RERA has already issued such guidelines of extension of 6 months. So I think this will prevail. And if they want to extend it further for 3 months, it can be extended further. Secondly, the relaxations related to the compliances. You all are aware that all the registered projects have to submit a quarterly compliance report and all the agents have to submit annual reports. So all such statutory compliances, either quarterly compliances to be done by the promoters or the annual compliances, annual reports to be submitted by the registered agents due by 31st March and thereafter are extended up to 30th June 2020. So these were the major relaxations which were provided by the Madhya Pradesh RERA for extension of the project and for the compliances of the quarterly and annually reports. I'm thankful to Amit ji again, and I'm thankful to Ramesh ji for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir. I'm done with my point.
Ananda, you have done it within the given time. I
Thank you,
think
sir.
you have proved yourself that you can do the job within the allotted time. Thank you very much.